Hello learners, welcome you all on day number 3 free bug hunting class. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most important tool in the cybersecurity field, that is a Burp Suite. How to install this Burp Suite. After that we will discuss what all different tabs are there and how they work actually. So this is day number 3. Please put your attendance in the chat box, type your name and then present, so that in the end of the series I will provide you the certificate of a free bug hunting based on this attendance only on the videos. If you have not watched our first and second video, I request you to please go and watch these two videos because it will be a sequence, it's a series, so you have to start from a day one only, but you can watch this video as well. Okay, so now what we are going to do, first of all I just need to type Burp Suite because I have already installed. On day number 1 we have already discussed, we have already seen how to install this Burp Suite. Now I'm going to start this Burp Suite. If you want to download, if you directly jump onto this video, don't worry about it, you can just type download Burp Suite. I will just let you know how to download it. Okay, so when you type download Burp Suite, the first link that you will see is a portsugar.net. click on it. After clicking on it, you will see there is an option enter an email ID. So click on go straight to download. Once you click on go straight to download, there is an option community edition. Please make sure that you should select community edition. Do not select professional edition because it will ask you for the money. Okay, then based on your requirement, based on your operating system, you can select your OS over here. Right now I'm using a Windows operating system. I will select this one. Click on download, it will get downloaded. Click on next, it will get installed. Now after this, now we need to open this Burp Suite. Now see the Burp Suite, like how to start the Burp Suite and what all features are there, I will explain you one by one. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about how to how to work on a Burp Suite, how to set up a proxy, and how we capture the communication of the browser. So now here you can see when you type Burp Suite, so here you can see right now I'm using Burp Suite Community Edition. Now there's a difference between Community Edition and a Professional Edition, just because in Community Edition we are getting limited with certain type of a feature, like vulnerability scans cannot be done over here, VA cannot be done. Automatically vulnerability will not show, you have to manually identify each and every vulnerability. The most important part and the pain point of every pen tester is that when you use a Community Edition, you can't save your project. That means, let's suppose if I'm running the Burp Suite, I'm working on some project. Now let's suppose if suddenly my system shut down, I cannot recover that file again. Okay, because it's a temporary project till the time your system is live. It means you have not shut down or you have not restarted your system. You can work on this Burp Suite, you can store everything, but once you shut down or restart your machine, it will remove everything. Okay, that's a bad part of it. No issues. So right now we have a temporary project in memory. If you have a professional edition, so you can select this option, the new project on the disk. Okay, wait a second. Perfect. So you can select this option. This is this one is a temporary one. It is only available, it is available on a Community Edition for those projects which are temporary, like you have wanted to check some vulnerability for some time, you can do that. You don't want to save anything, so this is for them. This is for the Professional Edition, where you can just save any file on the disk. You have to specify the name. Let's suppose you are going to test, one second. Okay, you can just specify the name over here, and then after that from here choose a file. You can select a path. From here you can select a path. Okay, now after this, once you select a path, your project will get saved over here, and over the time you can reopen your project. You don't need to do rework on that particular website again and again, like whatever links that you will save, whatever traffic which is already captured by your Burp Suite, it is always there because you have saved this project. Okay, and if you wanted to open that existing project, you can use this option. Click on this and then choose the file, and then you can open it. But right now we are using Community Edition, so we don't have any option in it, so leave it as it is. Just click on the next button. Now when you click on the next button, when you click on the next button, it is telling you that use a Burp default. Yes, right now we have not set any configuration, we have not did any kind of a setting into the Burp Suite. This is our first time we are going to use this Burp Suite, so always select the first option and click on start. Once you click on start, after that, click on start. Once you click on start, it will take some time to start, hardly 5 to 10 seconds, and once it gets started, you will see multiple tabs on a Burp Suite. Now in this video series we will learn each and every tab one by one. Okay, so that you get to know about each and every tab, because this is a very important tool if you are working in the cybersecurity. The Burp Suite is a important tool, okay, because it works everywhere: API, web app, mobile application, everywhere. Okay, so once it is start, we will, okay, so now this is the interface how the Burp Suite looks like. So our task is to, the first task that you have to do is capture the traffic, open a browser and see what all traffic which is flowing from between your browser and the server. Okay, so what you have to do, there is an option from the top, you can see this is the first tab. Now we will discuss about first and second tab in the upcoming videos. Today we are going to cover this proxy one. Okay, so proxy is the tab where you can see all the traffic which is going out from your browser and coming inside your system as well. Okay, so here when you click on it, you will see, okay, so when I click on the proxy, you will see multiple sub tabs. Are you able to see that? Okay, so first one is a intercept, where you can capture any request and you can stop that request as well. So let's suppose it's just like a traffic police, okay, where they have the authority to stop the traffic in between of the road as well. Same goes with the Burp Suite. So Burp Suite is a proxy tool, which means from your browser to the server, whatever traffic that you are sending, let's suppose when you type google.com, from your browser directly reaches on the server. So there is a layer, extra layer that we have added in between of it, that is called as a Burp Suite, BURP-SUIT. okay, this is called Burp Suite. So by using a Burp Suite, now when you set up a Burp Suite, in between of it there is an option to intercept and stop the request as well. So once you turn it on, so then after that, the from the browser, whatever traffic, whatever link that you will type, it will come and capture it over here. Until unless you will not forward this, it will not go here. Okay, either you forward or either you drop. So drop means you have sent a request. Now if you drop the request, it will destroy over here only. It will not reach to the server. Understood? This is how it works, the button works. I will also let you know how it works. Okay, now there is an option browser. Either you can set up a proxy in your Firefox. Okay, the proxy is 127.0.0.1 and colon 8080. It works on port number 8080. From the proxy settings, you can go and check it over here, that on which IP address it works. It works on basically this IP address, but in some cases might be possible you don't want it to do this configuration, because every time your browser will get engaged then with this proxy, every time you have to remove it, or either you need to add some extra plugin which can introduce some vulnerability into your browser. So instead of doing this, what you can do, the simple thing that you can do, okay, the simple thing that you can do, you can just open the browser. Here the Burp Suite provides its own browser, so whatever you do into this, it will capture that only, that traffic only. So your browser will not get impacted with this. Okay, so you have to wait for a few seconds. It will come up with the browser window. Perfect. Now here you can see the first thing that you will do is just type demo.testfire.net, demo.testfire.net. This is a dummy website that you can use while doing a testing, developed by IBM. So here you can see this is a dummy website where you do all the security testing tasks. Okay, so here you can see, okay, this is SCL Corporation. Understood? So now when you go back and there is an option HTTP history, so in the history you will be able to see all those traffic. Understood? So this is a traffic. This is how you can capture the request that is going from your browser to the server. Understood? So this is how you can capture the traffic. Now in the next video I will let you know how to read this this particular traffic and what all options are there over here. So here you can also see in the proxy settings 127.0.0.1 and port number 8080. So with this you get to know that this particular proxy is running on 127.0.0.1. Sometime might be possible when your port 8080 is engaged, you will not see this tick mark option over here, and when you try to enable this, it will just give you an error. So what you can do, you can just click on edit and just change the port to 80. So whatever port that you will mention it over here, you have to go and set it over there in the browser. Simple concept. Okay, so this is how you can set up a proxy, and you can use Burp Suite to capture the traffic. Here you will see all the traffic. Okay, so now this I think this is all for this video. Now in the next video I will let you know about the other options as well, so that you are able to use this Burp Suite in our bug hunting and web testing classes. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, please feel free to write down in the comment section. I will help you out, okay, by replying on all those comments. And if you are new into this video, I request you please like the video, so that this type of a video our YouTube channel will recommend you as well. Also, don't forget to hit a subscribe button, because there are multiple things that we are going to, there are multiple videos that we are going to launch, and all are logical based video in bug hunting. So trust me guys, by the end of the series you will be able to hunt bugs on live website. I'm damn sure about it, with the content that we are going to deliver on this YouTube channel. So stay safe, stay secure, keep hacking. Take care, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.